Have you guys ever wondered what I do while I'm fixing motorcycles or changing the camera when I'm doing videos or moving the bikes around? Is the garage quiet and soundless, or am I rocking out to music? Well, I am rocking out to music, and I'm using this Lexin Model S speaker. To be sincere, the main reason is this thing looks awesome. Pretty powerful speaker, actually, for the size. It fits in my hand, it's portable. I don't only use it when I'm working in the garage, but if I'm working outside or if I go on a ride and I stop, I pull this thing out and listen to music with it. Let's see what you get when you get this Model S speaker from Lexin. As you guys have seen before, I've reviewed a few other things from Lexin. The best one that I've reviewed so far was the portable air pump. I still love that thing. So I started looking through their stuff and I saw this thing, and I just couldn't help it. It's not that expensive, so I just wanted it. Just because it looks awesome and I leave it here around the shop, it matches what I do, and it sounds pretty good as well. Now, what do you get with this Lexin Model S speaker? It's a Bluetooth speaker, it's Bluetooth 5.0, like most devices nowadays. In theory, it lasts about 6.5 hours with one charge. I never listened to it for 6.5 hours, and even when I go somewhere and I listen to it for a couple of hours, when I come back, I usually plug it in and keep it charged so it's ready to go the next time around. Another thing about this Lexin speaker is IPX4 water resistant. So if you get caught outside by a rain shower, this thing will be just fine. Listen what it does when I turn it on.
Battery 100%. Pairing.
So that's pretty cool. I just resetted it so we can pair it again together right now. Here it is, Model S. Pairing. Pair. Pairing successful. Once it's paired with your phone, you can do the classic things and not to get burned by YouTube. I'm gonna pull up one of my videos. This motorcycle actually has a reverse. Turn on the bike, which by the way is super quiet. Then pull the lever. Obviously stay in neutral, and let me lower the volume while this thing is playing. So in theory, you can also skip forward and back and pause and play. And this is how loud it is, which by the way is super quiet. Then pull the lever. Obviously stay in neutral. All right. And volume back down. It works. Super easy to use. To shut it off, you just press and hold the shut off button.
Power off.
It says power off, and you're done. So also in the back, if you pull up the flap, you have a USB-C for charging and a 3.5mm jack. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors, which is nice. If you're not down with the flat black, there is something for everybody. I just can't get over the fact that this little thing looks so freaking cool. Anyway, so this is the Lexin Model S Bluetooth speaker. I've been enjoying having this little thing around, and I've been enjoying carrying it around with me, because every time I pull it out, somebody is gonna comment on it. So check it out, link obviously in the description as always. And for my patrons, thank you guys very much. Obviously this video is free for you guys because I'm promoting something that I like, and it's short, and sincerely I never feel good when I have to charge you guys for something so quick and easy. For everybody else, go check Lexin out. They have a ton of good products for the motorcycles. Do the usual if you want to support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and on and on and on. Other than that, dai tutti, and I'll see you next time.